Hello, my name is Pat Bechtold, and I'm the Marketing Technologist at OptiPro Systems. In this presentation, I'm going to discuss how OptiPro is helping NavAir by developing cost-effective germanium dome manufacturing solutions. If you are looking to reduce production time and cost for optical windows and domes made from germanium or other IR materials, then this is the perfect presentation for you. Before diving into the details, I'm going to give an overview of OptiPro and our history of success developing and commercializing innovative technology for optics fabrication. OptiPro has over 40 years of experience providing the latest computer numerically controlled, or CNC, machines and solutions to manufacturing companies. We are the only U.S. company that serves the precision optics and advanced ceramics industries with a complete suite of CNC optical grinding, polishing, and metrology equipment. Our machines are designed and built in a 60,000 square foot facility in Ontario, New York, which is about 20 minutes east of Rochester. We have been awarded over 24 SBIR Phase 1 contracts and 16 SBIR Phase 2s to date. This includes ongoing SBIR contracts with the Navy, DOE, and NASA. These contracts have helped us develop and commercialize several innovative solutions for making optical components, including our patented ultraform finishing process. As recognition for achievements in our technology innovation and job creation, OptiPro received the prestigious Tibbets Award in 2016. Now I'm going to go over the challenge NavAir presented us when we were awarded our initial Phase 1 contract. Critical naval systems such as the Infrared Search and Track or IRST sensor pod require windows and domes that need to be made from materials such as germanium. An example of a fighter aircraft that employs the IRST sensor pod is the F-A-18 Super Hornet shown in the image here. Currently, the cost to make windows and domes is very expensive and time-consuming, and NavAir needs a solution to significantly reduce both the production time and cost to make these components. The goal was to develop a process that would enable production of multispectral windows and domes that are 10 inches in diameter for under $50,000 per item. To yield optimal performance, these windows and domes need to be made from germanium or a material equal to or exceeding the strength and optical properties of germanium. To get an idea of the magnitude of time and cost that need to be reduced, it currently takes up to 1 year to produce a single long-wave infrared germanium dome, and each one can cost over $200,000. In addition, post-processing and/or coatings and treatments from foreign vendors may be required. Due to the sensitive nature of these components, it is ideal to have these components made entirely in the U.S. The technology we are proposing will greatly reduce both the time and cost associated with making windows and domes for long-wave infrared applications. NavAir, as well as any program utilizing spherical windows, domes, and optical components made from expensive materials such as germanium, would benefit from our solution. The top image here shows the convex or outside surface of a germanium dome that was manufactured by OptiPro as part of this SBIR contract. The concave or inside surface of the same dome is shown in the bottom image. The key benefit of our cost-effective germanium dome manufacturing technology is the ability to salvage large pieces of material when creating the dome blanks. This is made possible by performing a machining operation called scoop grinding on one of our 5-axis OptiSonic machining platforms. You can see a graphic depiction of scoop grinding in the far left image shown here, with the tool moving into the material in a way such that it is literally removing material like an ice cream scoop in order to make the concave surface of the dome. After scoop grinding the concave surface from a boule material, the material that is removed can be recycled for up to 50% of the purchase price. The convex surface is then scoop ground. After the dome blanks are produced, the convex and concave surfaces are efficiently processed to the required specifications using the OptiSonic 550X, as well as OptiPro CNC high-speed spherical polishing and ultraform finishing machines. The top right image shows the OptiSonic 550X contour grinding the convex surface with a ring tool, while the bottom right image shows the convex surface being polished. We are confident that our technology will achieve the necessary objectives for this contract. The optical performance of 5 hemispherical domes needs to be characterized to a specified diameter less than 8 inches. The optical transmission needs to be greater than 70% in both the mid-wave and long-wave optical bands. The scratch and rain erosion resilience needs to be equal to or greater than that observed for 0.25-inch thick germanium slabs of the same thickness. The domes need to exhibit transmission to temperatures of 120 degrees Celsius and 12 microns, with target per unit cost below $50,000 and production lead time less than 5 months. Through Q6 of the Phase 2 program, we have reached several milestones and are well on our way to fulfill the Navy's requirements for this project. We are able to recover 60% of the raw material after scoop grinding 9-inch germanium domes. As previously mentioned, this salvaged material can be sold back to a material provider for up to 50% of the current market price of germanium, making this process cost-effective for the Navy. Utilizing OptiPro's OptiSonic grinding technology, we can quickly remove material during the contour grinding process at a rate of up to 1900 millimeters cubed per minute by reducing cutting forces up to 50%. We have also integrated OptiSonic technology during the scoop grinding process to maximize scooping efficiency. Finally, we have achieved high precision surface quality on germanium plano or flat parts with our ultraform finishing polishing process, with the goal to transfer this process over to 9-inch germanium domes. UFF polishing on 9-inch germanium domes is still being developed due to the increased complexity of polishing domes versus polishing flat parts. A critical step to ensure optimal performance of these domes is the measurement stage. We need to be able to understand the level of surface irregularity to determine if it is ready to be implemented into a system. Because of this, we have purchased an optical sensor that is long-wave infrared capable on the UltraSurf, which is OptiPro's non-contact metrology platform. By utilizing this sensor, we will be able to measure the inside and outside surfaces of each dome simultaneously. Delivery of this sensor is slated for Q2 or Q3 of 2023. To summarize, there are 5 key advantages to OptiPro's technology for radar domes for sensors. All of these contribute to the cost effectiveness of our germanium dome manufacturing. First, with OptiPro's CNC optical grinding machine, the ability to scoop grind provides cost savings by recycling large pieces of expensive material. The CNC optical grinding machine also can spherically generate the inside and outside surfaces of the domes to the desired surface radius for polishing. Second, OptiSonic technology is utilized in conjunction with the CNC optical grinding machine to reduce cutting and grinding tool forces by up to 50%. Which is important because it reduces the risk of damaging a part during manufacturing and reduces subsurface damage. Third, the flexibility of the ultraform finishing machine allows for sub-aperture polishing of optical surfaces to precision level quality. Fourth, OptiPro CNC high-speed polishing machines can achieve desired irregularity and surface roughness of convex and concave surfaces by using the right polishing slurry and polyurethane pad on the spherical tool. And finally, to ensure that each dome has met the required specifications, the UltraSurf non-contact optical metrology system can accurately measure the surfaces without risking damage to the part, since the optical sensor scans the part while never actually coming in contact with it. The process of transitioning our technology to fleet will require OptiPro to complete the UFF polishing process for germanium domes. We will also continue to work with a specific prime contractor who we have communicated with in the past about this project, about implementing our processes into the ERST program. There are certainly application fits for our technology outside of the ERST program, and are looking to make contacts who can benefit from partnering with OptiPro. So why should an organization partner with OptiPro? OptiPro is dedicated to customer success. We were founded in 1982 on the principles of sales integrity combined with unprecedented service and support after the sale. Maintaining this business model has helped OptiPro become a global leader in manufacturing innovative grinding, polishing, and metrology machines for the precision optics and advanced ceramics industries. Our machines are designed and built at our facility in Ontario, New York, with a typical lead time of 20 weeks to build these platforms. Primes, as well as companies producing optics for non-defense applications, can reach their manufacturing goals by investing in OptiPro technology. We also have an advanced materials processing lab, complete with OptiPro's latest machines and metrology solutions. If necessary, we are willing and able to help meet the needs of prime contractors and the DoD by manufacturing optical domes and complex components in-house. We look forward to discussing how OptiPro technology can give you a competitive advantage by enabling efficient production of components made from mid-wave infrared and long-wave infrared materials. Please feel free to visit our website to learn more about our solutions and to contact us. Or give us a call at 585-265-0160, and someone from our technical sales team would be happy to work with you on your next project. We hope you found our presentation on cost-effective germanium dome manufacturing both interesting and informative. Thank you very much for your time.